So I'm going to tell you what it is by showing you people's lives, right? Every single one of you, ideally, will want quality of life, not just quantity of life. Who wants to be 101 in a nursing home with no quality of life? No one.
So you're looking for purpose? I'm happy for you to retire from your day job, but don't retire from your life. You must find where your purpose lies. There's really 7 seeds to where your life purpose is.
And look at the average age of the people on the dance floor. Are they saying, I'm too old to dance, I'm not getting up to dance? They do it because they love it.
You know what, it's actually not that hard to learn what the wisdom is, but it's our peer group and between here that makes us go, hold on, no, I can't do it. I hate my life, my family sucks, I've got no money, I'm not moving, but I'm paleo! Love people around you for who they are, not what they do. We're all incredible human beings. Judge all you like, it's not going to get you anywhere. Just love them anyway.
Then we get into learning. Okay, growth. Are you loving what you learned? Did you finish school and said, I'm done with learning? Or are you curious?
Financial independence, spending more than we earn, most of us, 114% of our incomes. We've got to get exceptional at that, spending less than we earn, investing the difference.
That it's only when we have the challenges in our life, even the ones that we don't choose, that we actually realise how strong we really are.
But I have to say that what Marcus has delivered and what he continues to deliver is some of the most inspirational content I've ever been lucky enough to receive. I can action it immediately.
Last night, didn't get much sleep in the hotel room, but hey, I was up at 3 a.m. making notes and just jotting down ideas, and it was just all flowing, and I was in the flow and in the zone. And
he is able to extrapolate the best out of you with peace and ease and grace.
Sometimes being exceptional takes a hell of a lot of courage and guts. A whole lot of G&D to really make your life the best life for you. If you're prepared to do it and give it the time to breathe, you'll never look back.
May the rest of your life truly be the best of your life.